I have something to show you. Maybe.
Oh, Weistec, baby.
Oh, he's going straight for it. Straight for it. Oh, now he's angry.
Bitch.
You want to explain what we got?
Turbiskis.
Turbiskis?
Man, good packaging.
I think it's a motor. Oh.
Hey, you might need a motor after this. Just kidding. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Do some fucking burning with this shit.
Well, now you gotta learn how to install this.
YouTube, baby.
Alright, we're doing a teaser. There might be some, as Abel and I would say, oops and bings. But yeah, might be some fireball action coming soon. So, I think it's time now to get to installing this kit. What do you guys think? Should we put it all in one video? Or do we just tease you? Guess you'll have to stick around and find out. So, if you want a Weistec kit, shoot me an email. We'll make this a deal. Shoot me an email. I'll give you guys a badass deal on a Weistec kit. Now, we did get some more stuff, so I guess we're gonna have to go over that. I don't know how much I want to go over in this video, so maybe I'll just give you a teaser, but check this out. Now, if you guys want one, maybe I'll make a discount code, but they're on our website. The kit's on our website. So if you guys want one, I'll see about making a discount code. If not, DM me, send me an email, or call me. We'll get you guys hooked up. I'll make you a deal. First 5 people that want a Weistec kit and order it from us, just order it. You don't even have to have it installed. Order a Weistec kit from us. I'll make you a smoking deal. These guys helped us out, so I'm going to return the favor to you guys. Alright, so it's here. Now you guys know what we're doing. I'm not going to tell you what fuel we're going to run, but it won't be 91. But here's a close-up look at this kit. Nice log-style manifold. Beautiful lines. V-bands. Spark plugs. Gap. Injectors. Hardware. This is all actually labeled. Boom, boom, boom. 2860. Fan harness, boost pipes, down pipe, more lines, airbox, intercooler, spall fans. Very nice unit. Ooh, that's a weight to her. Full replacement panel for the back for the intercooler. There's no cutting, nothing. You just swap over a couple pieces and this just drops in. Super simple. I mean, for the money, man, this is a hard kit to beat. And everyone gives a lot of shit about how small this turbo is. The smallest one in the industry, but from being a Volkswagen Audi guy, we've ran the hell out of these turbos. We used to call them disco potatoes. Well, I can't say used. We still call them disco potatoes. So GT 2860 RS. This is a 60 AR on the compressor side. It is a 83, I believe. 86 on the exhaust side. The cool thing about this turbo is that there's no lag. And the only way I can describe this to you is this car will drive. We've done a handful of them. Look back a couple of videos. Just like the factory NA Pro R, like with way more power, like minimum on another 100 wheel on pump gas. So it drives like a stock car. Honestly, nicer because there's so much extra weight in the clutch that it's not just singing super high, just doing 5-10 miles an hour. So, and there's plenty of room to grow. Like being a V-band inlet and like a standard style, either 5-volt or V-band outlet on this turbo, we can go to 2867s. We can go to 3071, or you know, if we want to stick with Garrett, we can do EFR setups. We can do a Precision or maybe Turbo Smart. Maybe we'll do something with them. I don't know in the future, but I think for right now, for what we want to do with the car and being on a stock motor, this is it. And to keep it, you know us, we like to keep this turnkey stock clutch, like tons of power, stock drivability setup. Like our black turbos have been like that for years now, and it's been killer. So let's see what we can do with this. If we outgrow it, we outgrow it. But for right now, I'm not doing a built motor. Maybe we'll go to that at some point, but this is where we're at. Turbo Smart is going to send us the external wastegate setup for it, the IWG. You know, we gotta put one of those on here for this build. They've been a part of it since day one. But yeah, we're probably gonna change a few things up. Maybe do a custom full downpipe, like right out of the turbo exhaust, and custom intake and stuff, just to change it up a little bit to be different. But yeah, this Weistec kit's badass.
I'm getting married. You're not invited. Cool. Didn't want to go.
What did you just throw?
They're clips. You pull the cable and they rip, so they're no good anyway.
Mm-hmm.